Today you're going to be unboxing the new Samsung Galaxy XR with me. Make no mistake about it, this is not a toy, it's not even a phone accessory. It's its own special tool that's going to help us with our new go forward XR technology and tools that are going to be coming out there. I'm looking forward to looking at this from the lens of a chief data scientist, looking at it for any sort of data applications and even executive level corporate applications. So let's get started. First of all, you'll notice the box within a box design. I want to thank my friends at Samsung for providing me with this Galaxy XR at CES this year. So this is exactly how it would arrive to you if you were getting it shipped to your home or office. You can see that the box itself is very sturdy, very little shaking, so it's going to arrive to you pretty safely no matter how you get it shipped. I'm going to remove the outer box. You can see that the outer box itself is pretty thick and there's plenty of space around to protect the Galaxy XR itself. Let's go ahead and take the rest of it out of the box and get started by looking at the actual unit. Now that I have the Galaxy XR out of its shipping box, let's take a look inside. There's two tabs on the sides that I've already removed, which makes the top easy to take off. Wow. Will you look at that? That is beautiful. The first thing that sticks out to me is the color. The color and the overall design are definitely Samsung. This color is known as Silver Shadow, and it really adds, really elevates this as a professional tool. Now, another thing that sticks out at me and what I've been really curious about are these displays. Let's face it, Samsung really does know what it's doing with these displays. And what you're looking at here are 4K micro LEDs. That's 27 million pixels between both of those displays right there. I think that's important because I recently learned about something known as pass-through. Now, what that means is pass-through measures the ability for the device itself to be able to transmit the real world into something that you're benefiting from while using the Galaxy XR. So the quality of displays is going to go ahead and also increase the pass-through rates and ultimately your enjoyment of the product. So really looking forward to seeing how those 4Ks perform in a variety of different tasks. I can also see that the rear band is very comfortable and also adjustable according to this dial. I'm making it bigger here. I can also make it smaller to tighten it up. So that's going to help me with the comfort level of wearing this. Again, in order for this to make sense to me as an executive tool, I need to measure the usage of it in hours, not minutes. So that's going to help my overall ROI. Let's take a look and see what else is inside. I'm going to take this box and I'm going to lay the XR inside of it while we take a look at the rest. So it looks like we have two sides. We have our accessories and then we also have our power. Let's take a look at the accessory side. So on the accessory side, I'm seeing a couple of different things. This looks like it's going to help my forehead and the comfort of wearing the XR on my head. This one is labeled as slim, and this one is labeled as thick. And I can see that it has a pad on the inside, and I think the pad is interchangeable. It is. So I can take the pad and put it into whichever one of the adapters I feel I need. I'm going to start with the slim. So now I'm going to bring over the XR and try to fit the pad. And it fits right in front with the two tabs and it snaps right in. I feel a little pull of magnets there. So nearly impossible for you to get wrong and it's going to be a nice fit. The next thing are the shades that are going to help to make sure that you are getting a completely immersive experience while using the XR. So I believe these are labeled. These are labeled right and left. So I'm going to go ahead and pick up my XR again, and I'm going to attach this to the left side. And I can attach this one to the right side. And again, I'm feeling a little bit of a magnetic pull that's going to go ahead and keep that nice and secure for me. Now, I'm also loving the weight of the overall unit, because keep in mind, there's a lot happening here. When I'm thinking about the XR, I'm really thinking about a culmination of Samsung, Qualcomm, and Google. Samsung is obviously providing the device and the displays. Qualcomm is providing its latest Snapdragon XR Gen 2 chipset to power all of this. And then on top of that, you have Google and Gemini, the AI engine baked into all of the Samsung Galaxy XR. So really, all of that is being provided in a package that weighs about 500 grams, which is a little bit more than a pound. So that makes it something that's really incredible for what's happening in such a small package, such a small form factor. Now, let's take a look at the other items that are provided in the rest of the box. So on this side, it's labeled power. So here, I'm gonna have my battery. So speaking of weight, this battery is one of the reasons why this can be comfortable to wear, because it is an external battery. Other XR tools in this space are not using external batteries, which makes the unit that much more heavier. So I like Samsung's use of an external battery here because it's going to add to that comfort level. To help support that battery, we have our wall adapter, and that looks like it's USB-C. And then we also have our cable, which also looks to be USB-C to USB-C. We have our manual and lens cleaning cloth. Let's take a quick look at that. So we have a quick start guide. And then I assume that this is the cleaning cloth. Yeah, so this is a nice Samsung branded cleaning cloth to help you maintain the displays inside the 4K displays nice and clean. So that's a pretty nice form factor for everything that Samsung is providing. When I think about the competitors in this space, two things are jumping out at me. One, remember how we talked about these displays? That's 27 million pixels between the two displays. I think you would find it very hard to find other competitors that have that level of quality display, which again is going to affect your pass-through coming through into their device. So I think Samsung is really going to differentiate itself and give you a better experience because of that. The second thing that jumps out at me is the fact that they are supporting the Android XR development kit to allow broader app support for the device. That's a little bit more attractive to developers rather than other systems that are kind of, garden walled. It's going to make it easier to have those entrants come in, provide the app support, and really give you the tools that are going to make this stand out. So I'm really looking forward to seeing how those two items really help elevate the overall usage and adoption of the Galaxy XR. Before we close out, I also have to take a look at the front here, because While most of these have a little bit of a ski goggle look, there's a lot happening here. There's a whole array of cameras and sensors that are both taking in the outside world while also responding to things like your hand gestures and also your voice. Those hand gestures and voice is how you interact with the apps and the device itself. So I'm looking forward to trying all of those items in a future video. I'm going to be using this from a perspective of how it can help the common tasks that data scientists have to do in our day-to-day work. So look for those videos in future deployments. But I think that the Galaxy XR is going to be a tool that's going to get a lot of support. It has beautiful displays. It's built for comfort. And I think it's something you should look at for your enterprise.